Did you know UK locksmiths have some of the highest credit scores in the country, averaging over 790? Despite earning between £35,000 and £50,000 through irregular emergency calls, they're credit superstars. Here's why this happens. Emergency call-outs are paid in cash, forcing them to track every penny for tax records. This accidentally creates perfect spending discipline and optimal credit utilization. Their licensing requires flawless electoral roll registration for background checks. Plus, dealing with security systems daily makes them experts at spotting credit fraud. Many start with Vanquish credit builder cards due to irregular income proof, but their cash flow discipline makes them ideal customers. Emergency response training creates financial reliability.